IFPC Business Insurance Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Business Insurance Denmark app is built to simplify business insurance management. You might think it's only a digital policy holder, but the app actually lets you submit claims, track premiums, and receive real-time updates on coverage. On the pros side, the app gives full access to all policy documents, including liability, property, and professional coverage. Filing claims is fast. You can upload photos, receipts, and invoices directly from your phone. Premium tracking is well organized, with reminders and a complete payment history. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress, policy changes, and renewal dates. Multi-policy support makes it ideal for businesses managing several insurance products. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slow performance when accessing older claims or large files. Advanced analytics and risk assessment tools are not included, which could help businesses make more strategic coverage decisions. In conclusion, the IFPC Business Insurance Denmark app is a convenient, reliable tool for business owners. While it does provide advanced insights, it excels at claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, giving entrepreneurs clarity and control over their insurance coverage.